Can I use this repair method on concrete surfaces? No. This technique is designed specifically for asphalt and will not bond or cure properly on concrete. For asphalt repair on driveways and parking areas, start by cleaning the area thoroughly with a stiff broom and a pressure washer if available to remove all loose aggregate oil and dust. Remove vegetation and old loose material to sound pavement and square the edges with a chisel or grinder so the patch has a solid vertical face to bind to. For small cracks under 1/4 inch wide, use a quality crack sealer applied with a pourable bottle and routed slightly with a wooden stick to force penetration and eliminate air pockets. For holes in larger areas, use a cold patch or hot mix specifically labeled for asphalt, compacting it in thin lifts of no more than 2 inches, and compact each lift with a hand tamper or a weighted plate compactor until it rings solid. Allow adequate cure time before opening to traffic, typically at least 24 to 48 hours depending on temperature and material specification, and avoid petroleum spills and heavy turning maneuvers during early cure. Always follow manufacturer instructions for primer and mixing ratios and store materials off the ground in a dry location to prevent premature contamination. The most common mistake is using the wrong material on concrete, which leads to poor adhesion and rapid failure, so switch to a concrete patch product designed for cementitious substrates. Another frequent issue is poor edge preparation, where dirty or feathered edges prevent a mechanical bond, so cut back to sound pavement and clean thoroughly before applying any product. A third problem is insufficient compaction, which allows settlement and water intrusion, so compact in thin lifts and test the patch by tapping to confirm a solid ring and top off if any voids form. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and local interests directly on our site. We also host a discussion community where we share techniques, product experiences, and contractor recommendations so we can learn from each other.